Hello, I'm architect Pranjali Numan and I'm a senior architect here at Hospitals India Private Limited. Today, I'm here to discuss a critical aspect of hospital design, lighting, specifically natural lighting.
Why is natural light important in hospital design?
Natural light plays a pivotal role as it plays a major role in patient recovery, staff productivity, and mental health and wellness. It also contributes to energy efficiency and maintaining a sustainable environment in the hospital.
What are the challenges of incorporating natural light in hospitals?
Incorporating natural light in hospitals or in hospital structure comes with a lot of challenges. So, balancing natural light with patient privacy can be tricky as it sort of hampers the confidentiality of a space or a private room in a hospital. Also, there is the challenge of maximum heat and glare entering a premises of the hospital in a tropical country like ours.
Are there cost-effective ways to incorporate natural light?
Absolutely. There are numerous cost-effective ways to make your premises brighter and full of natural light. First of which includes putting up large windows, skylights, huge atriums, putting up ventilators. Also, you can use lighter color schemes and reflective surfaces to maximize the light distribution throughout the surface or throughout the room.
How do architects design hospitals to maximize natural light?
So we normally do climatology study as a pre-designing exercise, which includes determining a sun path for throughout the year for a particular plot. And so this exercise helps us to determine the size, shape, and the direction in which the fenestrations or opening in a structure are to be placed to derive maximum light with minimum heat entering the premises.
How does natural light contribute to sustainability in hospital design?
So, for deriving natural light in a structure or a hospital benefits a lot in terms of sustainability as it is reducing your energy consumption, meaning you don't have to use a lot of lights, artificial lights which are run on electricity, and also it will help you achieve your sustainability goals. So we normally suggest these kind of designs or incorporating these aspects or elements of design to clients who are willing to go for say IGBC certification or LEED certification, etc.
What are some of the mental and physical health benefits of natural light for hospital patient?
So there are numerous mental and health benefits to using natural light in your premises. For example, it boosts your productivity, it boosts your mental wellness. So it helps regulate circadian rhythm, the patients, as it is essential for good sleep and overall recovery of a patient. It also boosts mood and reduces depression, and it also leads to faster recovery in patients.
What future trends do you see in the integration of natural hospital in design?
So a lot of emphasis is being given in incorporating biophilic design, which includes incorporating a lot of plants, a lot of water-based elements, a lot of ample of sunlight in your structure. Then there are technological advances, for example, smart glasses which can be put up on your windows or can be used as glass facades, which do help in regulating the natural light incoming in your building or your structure. To incorporate such critical elements in your upcoming hospital design, contact us at Hospitals India Private Limited. Please like, share, subscribe.